Hello everyone, welcome to part 122 of Laravel 10 series in which we're creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the login register process of the user, and in this mail we are going to send the register email of the user offline via mailtrap. Okay, so mailtrap is the service that provide us the test mail that we can test offline. So if you have not registered in mailtrap, you can register in mailtrap. It's very simple. Okay, you can open the mailtrap here. Okay, this is the website, mailtrap.io. Okay, so this is the website. You can register, or I have already registered, so I can able to log in. Okay, so after login, we will reach here for the settings. I'm going to show you the settings here. Here inboxes, you can go to the inboxes here. All the emails will come up and you can click on action here. Okay, you can click on this setting, and like we are using the Laravel. Okay, we will like we are using the Laravel 10, so we will click on Laravel 9 plus for the setting. Okay, so it will open all the settings here, and I'm just going to copy this setting and will paste in .env file. Okay, here I'm going to open my .env file, and here I'm going to paste all the setting here. Okay, so make sure that you are going to disable these settings. I'm going to disable all the settings, all the earliest settings with the hash. In env file we need to disable anything in with hash. Okay, so we can disable all this in hash. Okay, and we are going to use this one, and along with that we are going to use this mail from address is not required. Mail from name, we are going to use it as well. Okay, mail from name, and I don't think that anything else is required. Okay, we are going to use this one as well, mail from address. Like I can give any email like info at the rate of our website is the sidemakers.in. I just go like will do it like this, info at the rate of sidemakers.in. Whatever you are doing, you can give it. Okay, so here instead of Laravel you can give the e-commerce, whatever your website name. In app name, because this app name we are using there, this app name you can see that we are using here. Okay, so now we can test this one, but here we are going to add the register email in front. Okay, so here like after saving the user, we are going to send the register mail to the user, and this register mail I think we can also send after login. After the user logged in, then we can send the register mail here as well. Okay, so here like we will simply give the send register mail. Its syntax, we are going to add its syntax for sending the email. Okay, so here just I will first will get dollar email, this dollar data email I will get in email variable from the dollar data email, and after this I will just take the message data array. One array I'm going to take here, message data, and in that array I will take all the variables like name. Name I'm going to take dollar data name, all this like we are getting here. Okay, and after name I'm going to take the mobile email as well. Okay, uh, okay, so here I'm going to take the after name mobile, after mobile we're going to take the email like this, and this is the message data that we require. And after this just we will write the mail send code. This is the mail send code. Okay, and inside this emails we are going to create the emails folder in which we are going to create the HTML template, register HTML template for the for sending the email for the welcome email that we will send to the user. Okay, after that we are going to send the data, this data that we have just added message data array, and after this function dollar message use dollar email, this. Okay, dollar message to dollar email subject. The subject will come registration with e-commerce website, or simply welcome to e-commerce, so whatever name, like welcome to SideMaker, like if you are using welcome to SideMakers in, okay, like this, okay, whatever your domain name, okay, you will give that domain name here, okay. And make sure to add the email class here at the top, okay. You can add here the email class, use Illuminate support, then Facades, then mail, 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 okay. So I think, yeah, now we need to create this template. We will create, first of all, we are going to create here, see, I'm going to show you project 10, where it is project 10 resources, views, and here we are going to create one folder, okay. New folder, emails. Under emails, I'm going to create, in Mac we can create the file like this, but if you're in Windows, you know how to create the new file. Here in Mac, I will give the touch command to create the new file, register.play.php. That we are going to add the email template in this one, register email template, okay. So here, this is the file that I will bring it here, okay, and we'll add the email template here, simple email template, okay. Like I will add here HTML here, I will select the HTML here, okay, so that the default HTML will come up automatically. Here we will give here the register HTML, and here I'm going to give the table structure. We'll give the table. Inside table, I'm going to give here tr. Inside tr, I'm going to give the td. So here I'm going to give like dear, whatever name that is coming, dear dollar name, okay. So after this, we are going to give here empty space is required. Now again we are going to give here like something, we'll add some message, your account has been like welcome dear, welcome to sidemakers.in, okay. And see, in first line you can just give it, or if you want to give it further, like welcome to sidemaker.in, your account information, your account information is as below, fine. Then again we will give some space like this, and then one by one we are going to give for all. But here I'm going to add these few of the fields, few of the tags. We are going to add it like this, and then we will add like name. For name, once again we will give the name here, dollar name, okay. After that spaces, after that we will give here mobile, see, you can create this template of your own, the better template. This is just the simple one, but you can create the good template, okay. You can ask your designer to give the HTML to you, to the better HTML to you, with all the CSS in inline CSS, okay. CSS you must add in this page only, okay, so that it able to work, okay. Password, see for the password, we will not give the password here, we will just add it like this, and we will give here as chosen by you, okay. For the privacy, we will never give the password. And a few more, okay. So after password, this is the last thing, then thanks and regards. Here the sidemakers.in, your domain name will come, fine. And see here, one more thing we need to give here. We will give the nbsp here, okay, so that it will actually left, otherwise it will ignore these tags. Okay, so now we are going to test, this register email. Let's register new user, and I hope that this will come up here, and I'm going to remove all, going to remove the complete inbox, now empty. Now I'm going to try. Okay, I will click on register now, sign up, and now we have added all the validation earlier as well. Okay, some url, some issue has come. Let's see what issue exactly. Redirect URL card. Okay. We are going to see syntax error, unspected variable, redirect URL. Okay. Unspected variable, redirect URL. Why this is happening? Okay. Actually, syntax error is here only in our email code. So that's why we need to check our email code. Mm, okay, so here I have mistake, mail will come up here. Okay, I think the issue may be due to this one. Let's see. No, some other issue. Let's see. Here semicolon will come, maybe due to this one. Yes, okay, only the semicolon issue, that's why. Now it is fine. Now we can try to register with the new user, and let's see. Gupta, we are going to give the any email here. Okay, so email here as well, we will give here anything, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on create, and it will take few seconds. We will add some loader later on, so that it will get freeze and it will show the loader. Okay, okay, some error has come this time. Okay, let's see what error exactly. We're going to open the network console, click on once again create, the different email id I'm going to take, create, and some error, that error, now error has come. See what error exactly. Here the email error failed to, okay, the email is not going due to some issue. Let's see. On smtp server with username this one, using the following. mm, okay, email is not going. Let's see the issue in .env. I think we must use here the original one, hello at the rate of example.com, that was earlier given. The same one, hello at the rate of example.com, and also here we will give the Laravel for now. Okay, maybe due to this one, we have changed the default settings, and now we are going to try. I'm not sure that this is the only reason, and I'm going to give now some other, create, click on create. Let's see. No, still the error message is there. CSRF token mismatch. Okay, this time some strange error message has come. We have already given the CSRF token, there is no issue. I don't think that there is any issue of that, because the CSRF token we have already given. But I'm going to refresh it one. I'm going to refresh it now. We'll try again. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to give here, going to close this one, and we'll give here and now the mobile number, any mobile number we can give. Okay, and then here I'm going to give some email id. I'm going to give here something, anything I can give. Okay, password is there, and now click on create. Let's see. Okay, it is taking some time, and let's hope. No, still the error is there. I think failed to authenticate on SMTP server with username using the following authentication. Login, plain, but code. Okay. So we need to change the settings once again. Okay. So add inbox here. Here I'm going to give here the inbox save. Maybe we have deleted everything. That's why. Now once again I will click on Laravel 9 plus, and here I will copy the settings once again and we'll put it here, put it in place of this one. I think now there is some change. Now we are going to try once again. Okay, sometime it happens, and now because I have deleted everything, I think settings also gone away when I deleted all the emails. And now we are going to try once again. Amit Gupta. Here now mobile number. I will take any mobile number, and here the email. I will just change it, otherwise it will say the email already exists. And then the password. This is the password is already filled. Now click on create this time. Now we'll wait for a few seconds and let's see. It is still loading. Still going on. Let's see. Yes, this time we directed to the card page. Okay, and now I'm going to check here, and here the email has come. Welcome to sidemakers.in. Dear Amit Gupta, welcome to sidemakers.in. Your account information is as below: name, mobile, email, password as chosen by you. Thanks and regards, sidemakers.in. So finally, we are able to send email offline via the help of the mail trap server, mail trap. Okay, so you can use the default settings. Okay, these settings. See, once I have deleted that complete inbox, actually I have deleted that. So that's why the issue is coming. I have deleted this one. If you delete this one, then you need to do these settings again. Okay, so for these settings, okay, so like once you have registered, I just want to tell you that once you have registered, then you need to create your inbox. Okay, I'm going to show you that once you register, you will reach to this home page like this. Okay, and then you will start testing, and then you will create the inbox. You will click here and will add here one folder, inbox folder, and will click on save. And after saving, then you will click on this settings icon, and here you will select the Laravel 9 plus, and from here you will copy the setting. From here copy and will put in your env file. Okay, and then you are going to send email offline, then you can send emails offline. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. And from the next video we will start work on the email confirmation process, user email confirmation process. Okay, so if from the next video we will work on this user email confirmation process, this part, user register email confirmation process. This is very important because see, all the website, all the main brands like Amazon use this process. Otherwise any person can add any email id, any invalid email id. So it is necessary to confirm the email first, to get the confirmation from the user that this email belongs to that user only. Okay, so we will work on this email confirmation process, in which we will send the confirmation email to the user, and when the user will get confirmed, then only he will get the welcome email. Okay, welcome email, like we have done earlier. So wait for this video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.